Hello, it's Becca, and welcome to the Carriage House, a little place to find cozy inspiration for your hearth and home. I'm in our little farmhouse kitchen on a cold winter's day in the northern plains of Iowa, and really wanting to take the time to do some baking this afternoon, so I'm going to make a warm loaf of gluten-free banana bread, and I'll also be making dinner for my family tonight as well, and just wanting to bring a little joy into the whole cooking process and help add an essence of warmth and coziness to our meal tonight. So I'm really glad you're here with me today while I cozy up the kitchen. So now that the banana bread is in the oven, I decided to go ahead, get into our homeschool room, and prepare for the next day's lessons. I try and remind myself that I'll be so tired after preparing dinner and putting the kids to bed, so I know if I get this done now, I can relax with a more peaceful mind shortly after the kids go to bed. And then I'm going to check on that delicious banana bread that I'm beginning to smell right now. The scent of something baking in the oven is a simple and comforting joy that we often overlook. And then after that, I'm going to pour myself a glass of wine and get that dinner started. So for tonight's menu, I'm making a sweet and savory stir-fry sauce served over lots of fresh and colorful sauteed vegetables, along with a side of fluffy and aromatic jasmine rice. Now, I've been making this sauce for so long now, it's hard to go back to bottled sauce now these days. But I will share the recipe down below, and I'd love for you to share your own recipes as well. I'm just going to start by washing and chopping all of my fresh vegetables. I have sweet red onion, bell peppers, crunchy snow peas, and sometimes it's good to snack on these while cooking so you can get those health benefits of eating raw vegetables. But I'm looking forward to the day where we can grow our own fresh veggies in our little garden, and it hopefully won't be too long now. But I hope you're enjoying your visit here so far, so let's go right into making this delicious homemade dinner.